Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add collaborator on your Instagram story. So if you want to add someone to your Instagram story or invite collaborator to your Instagram story, you can just follow the steps right here. First, let's launch the Instagram app. And after this, you can just start creating a story by clicking on the plus icon at the top to open the Insta story camera. And now you can just select a photos or maybe a video that you want to update to your Instagram story. In this case, I'm going to just select a video. For example, you can tap on the video that you want to update or a photo, and after that here you can just click on the sticker icon at the top to start adding a collaborator. And in here you can just click on the mention option at the top right here, so it will allow you to mention or invite collaborator to the story. So you can just type in their username, for example, in here. Okay, now you can change how it will look like by tapping on this name text right here. You can choose the color that you want for the collaborator. So I'm going to use this one, for example. You can also adjust the position and also the size and put it in anywhere you like. Okay, I'm going to put it in here, for example. And after that here, when you mention someone, you can also let them to repost this story to their own Instagram account. Okay, so what you need to do here, you can just modify the story again. You can add music, and if you want to, you can also add effects. You can add text or location or anything that you want to the story. So let me repeat the steps. You can just open the Instagram app and then start launching the camera on the Instagram story. And now you can click on the sticker icon at the top, go to mention and find a username. After that, you can see their username in here and put it in anywhere you like on your story. So that's how you can invite collaborator to your Instagram story. And when you're done, you can just tap on your story to upload it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.